Ladies and gentlemen, we have a special treat for you to open our second act. A song dedicated to Mayor Michael Bonfanti, who is not going to be seeking re-election this time and will be retiring. And in dedication to him, I give you the debut performance of the City Hall Songbirds.
Hi, we're the City Hall Songbirds. I'd like to introduce you to the group.
Natalie,
Debbie, Mary,
Tim,
Julie,
Stacy,
Diane,
Lucia,
Sharon,
Debbie, Marilyn.
Cookie.
and I just like to say this is all part of the game.
peace out.
Peace
out.
Peace out.
I just can't imagine election time this fall won't be the same here at City Hall. Bonfanti, can't you see I'm in misery? We made a start, now we're apart. There's nothing left for me. Don't leave me here all alone to sit and wonder why, oh why you left me, Bonfanti. Bonfanti, maybe someday when your turn's finally done, someday, some way, our two worlds will be one. In heaven, forever and ever we will be. Oh, please say you'll stay, Bonfanti.
Bonfanti, my darling, you know you hurt me real bad. You know it's true. But baby, you gotta believe me when I say I'm helpless without you.
Don't leave me here all alone to sit and wonder why, oh why you left me, Bonfanti. Bonfanti. Bonfanti.
Bonfanti.
Ladies and gentlemen, the City Hall Songbirds. Give them a hand. You'll be humming that all day, Mayor. I promise you. Now, you know, I've known Mike a long time, and I know Mike appreciated that. I also know that Mike was up there going, he wasn't there, she wasn't there, he wasn't there. There's gonna be payback Monday morning at City Hall for anyone who didn't show up there. But what a bunch of good sports, huh? Weren't they great? Oh boy, let me tell you something, folks. The show, we should have a separate video camera for backstage. That's off.